Hi, I'm MD Firoz Qureshi, a writer and director serving the film industry from last 10 years. I wanted to make films, but it seems that all the roads are closed. Then I came to know about Anurag Kashyap sir. I learned about him, read about him, sees his movies, and adopted his 10 commandments of filmmaking and made 3 successful movies. He is guru to me. I am very thankful to Anurag Kashyap sir for sharing the real knowledge that helps to achieve the success in filmmaking career. In this video, I am sharing you the successful outcome that which I have earned after following his 10 commandments of filmmaking. Thank you Anurag Kashyap sir for the support.
The first and foremost, the most important thing to any kind of a filmmaking is writing. So when you're writing a film, when you have no money, you have to learn to do few things. Best way to write is just write. पहले तो तुम idea stimulation ढूंढो. Once you've found an idea, once you've found some kind of a stimulation, work around it. Keep the film very personal. Pre-production is very important for a movie when you have no money. I'll again take examples of the movies that I have done. I've often ended up shooting in my house. A large chunk was shot in my house, using my own building people, convincing them that I'm going to use the elevator. You have to be honest to the film. Vis-a-vis approach to acting. Acting should be as real as possible. Try and cast people where you can avoid makeup. People who look like the characters. You don't cast a young guy and ask him to play the old man. When you know what you really want to do, many a times you will come across as somebody very unreasonable. And all I want to tell you, it's okay. It's okay to be unreasonable. You are only filmmakers who really want to do something that nobody would want to do them are unreasonable people. Many times in olden days when people used to make films, they used to shoot films on end bits because when they didn't have digital, they still wanted to shoot the films. They would go to filmmakers and ask them whatever stock is left. मतलब एक रील शूट होती है उसमें थोड़ा सा बच जाता है. They would collect end bits and a lot of Academy Award nominated short films have been made on end bits. You need to find studios who will do your sound design, who will do your edit. You need to get people. You need to be hanging around them. It is important to find an audience. When you have made a film with almost no money and you want to sell it for a certain price, then you're being a fool. So it's important that you reach out to an audience. Today there are many digital platforms you can show the film in. One of the most important things is investment. All your life, when all your friends are going on dates, discotheques, nightclubs, take that money aside that gets you an entry into a nightclub and the money you're most likely to spend. Put it aside and stay at home. First thing, invest in buying your own small SLR 5D camera or a camera that gives probably the best results that you can afford to shoot a film. When you are directing a film on the sets, forget in that moment all those fantasies about being a Nolan or a Aronofsky or this one or that one, how they used to take shots. Shots are not important. What is important is the storytelling, the character, whatever your idea is more important.